Hello guys. Uh, First of all, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Fransiskus Biliam Andrea, and my student number ID is B1024201012. I'm currently majoring in International Management Batch 2020 in Tanjung Pura University, and right now I will discuss about the third meetings of my lecture, which is HRM or Human Research Management. And right now I will give the conclusion of the third meetings, which is chapter 3, that talking about equal employment opportunity. So we will not be that long, but I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's just begin. First of all, we will talk about equal employment opportunity. So at the core of the equal employment is the concept of discrimination. The word discrimination simply means recognizing differences among items or people. For example, employers must discriminate or choose among application for a job on the basis of job requirements and candidates' qualifications. However, when discrimination is based on race, gender, candidate, and some other factors, maybe physics, it is illegal, and employers face problems like this. The following bases of protection have been identified by various federal, state, and local laws. Here's the components that conclude on the protected category under EEO law and regulation. The first one is race, ethnic origin, and color skin, including multiracial ethnic background. For the second is sex and gender, including pregnant women and also men in certain situations. The third is age, individuals over age 40. For the fourth is individual with disabilities or physical or mental. Okay, for the fifth is military experience, military status employees in Vietnamese era veterans who maybe have PTSD. Okay, then religion, special belief and practices, marital status, some state, maybe money. Then for the last is sexual orientation, some state and cities. So here's the categories are composite of individuals who are members of a protected category under EEO law and regulation. Okay, there is two types of illegal employment discrimination, namely disparate treatment and disparate impact. So we will talk about the disparate treatment first. Okay, disparate treatment occurs when members of one group are treated differently from others. For example, if male applicant must take a special skill test not given to female applicant, the disparate treatment may be occurring. This type of illegal discrimination occurs with employment-related situation in which either, the first one is, different standards are used to judge individual. The second is the same standard is used but is not related to the individual jobs. Okay, the second, we will talk about disparate impact. Disparate impact occurs when members of a protected category are substantially underrepresented as a result of employment decisions that work to their disadvantage. The landmark case that established the importance of disparate impact as legal foundation of EEO law is Griggs v. Duke Power. The decision by U.S. Supreme Court established two major points about this. The first one is it is not enough to show a lack of discriminatory intent if the employment to result in a disparate impact that discriminate against one group more than other and continue a past pattern of discrimination. The second is the employer has the burden of proving that an employment required is directly job related as a business necessity. Consequently, the intelligence test and high school diploma requirement of Duke Power were ruled not to be related to the job. Okay, this and a number of other decisions make it clear that employers must be able to document through statistical analysis that disparate treatment and disparate impact have not occurred. Knowing how to perform of these things, this analysis is important in order for employees to follow appropriate equal employment guidelines. Okay, now we will talk about equal employment opportunity concept. So there is several basic of EEO. I will tell the several basic. The first one is business necessity and job relatedness. The second is bona fide occupational qualification, or BFOQ. Then burden of proof and non-retaliation. Okay guys, that's all that I can tell to you, that I already conclude or for this third lecture. Sorry if maybe there is a mistalk from me. Thank you for listening. See you for the next discussion.